Yeah, she's gonna.
Oh my gosh.
Warp. She's Slender Man.
Slender Woman.
Slender Woman. That's how they make. Oh no. That's a very annoying sound. That is. What you doing here? We don't need a share to transfer. Run the exit sector. Okay. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, you move faster by putting your weapon away? I did not know that. Oh, I
Come on, Capel, if that thing catches us, we're done for!
I like how there's no voice acting.
Run! Put your weapon away,
Okay,
run!
I'm tired. I like how there's no voice acting during cutscenes, but there's voice acting during game.
That truck's gonna
Say Rhapsody!
Ogre!
Ah!
Soldier!
Ah! What's the difference? Miraculous, man. We're on the freeway. Go! Go! You can't catch me. Oh, you little bastard.
You're saying?
You didn't catch me. That was loud. You don't run from me! Oh, he's a fat man.
That's not fair! How did he get out of here?
He teleported. I know.
Whoa, that was really
Faster! Oh, some archer lens. Oh, guard. Ah!
Focus?
Oh, terrific, man. Oh no! He worked again. Ah! What? I didn't miss.
You didn't even touch it!
And she kicks it. Yeah, thanks a lot.
Hey, it worked!
It didn't do shit. Alright. Here we go. Let me play my flip for it. Okay, I finished it.
Oh, the ogre name. Up there.
Oh, there he is. It's my ogre summoning.
You heard pretty music?
That's it, Rhapsody!
What do you mean?
Sing Rhapsody.
Kill her. Kill her. Oh, she grabbed you. Get your money back.
You have tape jump.
I have paid some jump. Oh, I mean that's probably an STD. Wait! Wait, you little bugs! Oh, he's running.
He's knocking over everything in sight!
That's what she said. I got this, don't worry. See? I got it. It's all good.
You got 52%. Oh, and you died.
Son of a bitch. Use the medicine on me, Arya. Use the medicine. Please. Oh, thank you so much. No, is that... What is it?
So you only have 100 in.
Hey, it's better than love. 94. Oh, thank you, God. Thank you, dear Aya. Oh, I should probably put this away. Ah! Oh, look, I leveled up. Oh, son of a bitch.
Look how she's like turning. She's like. There's the ogre. You're so close. How can we get rid of him? With those barrels.
I like your little sassy. I get in the shadow. Oh, maybe
ready to go?
Okay.
Yeah.
Terrific.
Don't heal me.
Guide my bow to shoot straight and true!
Right
There.
Yeah. Gwar! Is that a word? Gwar. Gwar. G-W-A-R. It's like a death metal band. Okay, prison. Oh, yeah. Oh!
And it
Where
gets
the fuck you going? Shoot his head down.
Thanks.
Thanks!
Oh, he's like the, I don't know.
Sunhound.
Sunhound, you know there's no escape. Alright, well, hey, you can see our reflection.
Yeah. Nice.
Alright, well, we're out in the creepy woods, and we'll figure out what happens in the next episode. So, like and favorite if you enjoyed.
Subscribe.
That always helps.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching, yeah. More videos maybe later today. Maybe later tomorrow. I don't know. Something cool.
It all depends, really.
It all depends. Alright. See you later.
Bye.
Meh.